People, so today we actually are gonna make up some spear gun, show you how we make them up the yard style way, you understand. We're also gonna refurbish some old one where we have, and as we go through the process then you will see how we do it, right? Yeah, so remember, like, subscribe and share the page, as we say, yard style. Alright, so we're actually making up some guns. We have river gun, different style, brand new handle, carving out right now, homemade style. As you can see, the channel name YAAD-STYLE, so we are giving the yard style kind of making, you know. Yeah, so we just need to put this on a barrel now, you know, line it up, bore it out and make the trigger. As you can see, I'm gonna cut out the trigger right there, so, and we use truck valve to make the trigger. Alright, so the trigger system kind of different. We use truck valve and nail, and then we bore out the handle and all of that. So when we reach that point there, then you're gonna see what it's all about. Yeah, and we have a type here where we get the handle and we make up the barrel. So we have my yard style gun area. Cut this out a meat board, you know, as we say, yard style. So we are showing the real original style them. Yeah, and this one here bust already. This one here do whole heap of crime already. And this one here too, this do whole heap of crime already too, in a river. Now the reason why that one here, the river gun is so short, because the river in the area where we dive have a whole heap of rocks. So you know you can't have a long river gun or a tall river gun, because you know we get to handle it properly under the rocks, you know. Yeah, so that's why we make that style. Yeah. Make one platform now to beat out that trigger. Yeah. You need something sturdy. Straight nail, me G. Alright. Yeah. Alright. So now we are going to flatten the part there right there, so we can bore it up. So we are going to beat it down further now, but in order for we get it to go down more now, so we are hot it, you know, and we're not on a welding charge, so we are going to the real yard style. So we just light up the stove, yeah, and we are deal with it, you know. So after this hot now, then we are going to beat it again, and then we are going to see how it get nice and flat, you know. Alright, so we're back at it again. Take it off of the stove and we'll beat it out some more so it get flat. So now it'll get real flat where you can bore a hole through it, you know. We're actually working on another one same time. Alright, so see here now we get extremely flat. And then we're gonna give it a slight bend on the top, so it work like a trigger, you know. Yeah. Again, yard style again, so get one whole control slide that too. Cause we not have the new machine them and the easy machine them to do the work. So we improvise. So this is how we're gonna bend it right now, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, so we almost finish up one of the triggers, so see we are set it up here now. When it bore, so you take a look, push it through there, so fish it through like that. Then we tie it up with some tie-ins, and when you squeeze it, so we actually go cut the nail. So when you squeeze it, it will go down and then the spear will release, you know. So that is the trigger mechanism right there, YAAD-STYLE. Yeah. Yeah. Whole heap of thing one time, you know, cause as I can see, whole heap of we in the crew. So everybody had something, so we just a jump around and a catch a video. So right now I'm gonna cut the tie-ins them, what we are gonna use and actually tie up the gun. You know? So yeah. Come here. We use this to tie up the rubber. We use this to tie up the trigger. Yeah. A lot more. Oh, so that part I got in my way. So you know wear out, so the trigger now wear it out. Yeah. This now. So it's a hard time to get out this one after tool, so hold the fork. Can see. Alright, see that people? So we are going to hold right through it now. Yeah. So the nail I go slide through that now, so it not wear and tear out the board. Yeah. Instead I go straight through the board, it go through that long distance. So it lasts for long. Right. Alright, so we have cut this now for putting at the handle. Like you want a brand new YAAD-STYLE here. Alright. Got that. Again. People, if you don't know if you use them stuff, yeah, careful because you will cut off all the angle. Look how near the to fee, man. Yeah. We are doing this long time. Hopefully, you know. Right. You can know. Perfect. Alright, so when you remember this, we cut off of the valve, so we are using it now. Knock it down. All the way down. See that? Yeah, so this is how it looks. As you can see, flush with the gun. So the reason why we put that inside there now is so when the nail go inside there, it doesn't rub alongside the board and wear it out, you know. Right here. So this is the reason why we put that there. So when this move, you know, wear out the board, you know. Yeah. So this can last for long. Yeah. There is it. The trigger mechanism right there. YAAD-STYLE. So see the homemade spear now. Well on the each on it, and then I file it down. So you're actually filing it down now. Also well on put on a gill on it, you know. Yeah. And this is the runner. We tie the card pan so your spear not fly away. Yeah. Alright, so the one is complete now. See, we have the rubber tie on and everything, spearing and everything. So we are going to test it, yard style. First hitch we are give. Yeah, and we have 2 hitch. We have 1 up here, so when we see all the big fish them now, we pull up on the second hitch. So first hitch. See what I go and feed. Yeah. Ready for the road. Alright. Pick it up now. This is actually a small river gun. We have to make sure it's straight, people. So the handle and the head of the gun have to line up straight. Yeah. So that's what it looks like. Alright, so we're actually almost finished. Yeah, so we install the trigger. Test it out with the spear and everything, and it is good. So I decided to make a banana quick trigger. Yeah. Alright, so now we have the rubber for install along with some wishbone and thing, and then the gun ready. And we'll be firing. Yeah. As you can see, it's getting dark, so we're gonna finish this one tomorrow, and actually when we're gonna use it at the river, then you guys will get to see how it works. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share the video, and we got a lot more videos coming to you soon. Alright, so stay tuned.